Picked this up on eBay, not on Amazon like the box would have you think. What did I end up? Well, I saw it at auction last week. Starting bid $100. Had a guy had one bid on it. In the last few seconds, it went. It was going up quick, so I bid up. I think $140. Ended up getting it for $126. And that is a hs700e, which is supposed to be one of Holystone's best drones. I've had quite a few. I've had a 165 I gave to my kid. I have a 710. But I saw this one pop up, man, and for the deal, it was just too good to pass up. They go for between $279 new, and I think I've seen them as high as $399 actually, which at that point you might as well get a DJI Mini 2 or 3 or whatever sells at that price range. But yeah, pretty excited for this one. This has true image stabilization and 4K and 1080p. Now that's real 4K and 1080p, not that fake stuff you see on those cheap Chinese drones. Just really excited for this one. Of course, it doesn't hold a candle to my Typhoon H, but still, it takes up about, yeah, a lot less, about a fifth of the space as my Typhoon H. And I figured this would be a good one to pack around in the car. Yeah, I think my Typhoon H case is like this wide, like that, by that. It's huge. Alright. Nice case, lots of padding. Looks like it's got a decent, I'm hoping it, I couldn't tell if it had 1 or 2 batteries. I think yeah, only 1 battery it looks like. But that's okay. So yeah, nice gimbal. It's got an up and down rotation gimbal, and that's all. It doesn't pivot, but you pivot the drone. And with the image stabilization, it should be pretty decent footage. And of course, it snowed last night, so I don't think we'll be flying today. I was a little disappointed. Ooh, nice heavy duty remote. I was worried about the remote because my 165, pretty cheesy remote. Of course, the 165 was a little bit of a cheesy drone, but it was definitely a decent machine. It served me well for a couple of years, and then I passed it off to my kid, and last I heard he was having fun with it himself. Yeah, only 1 battery, a little disappointing. But that's okay. You can only use 1 battery at a time anyway. It looks like there's some empty slots in the case. What are those? Oh, that's a charging cable. Oh yeah, that's a good self-contained battery. Nice. And this is a, what did they say? A 455 gram or 555 gram? Oh, it might say right here on the arm. So this does have to be FAA registered. And also, to fly this drone, you will have to buy an RFID tag, which I have another RFID tag from Holystone coming. They have actually the best deal in RFID that I've seen for $89 delivered. So And this has the brushless motors. It has a little instruction template for your remote. Get you started. See if she's got any juice. Apparently not. I wonder if the drone has any juice in the battery. Oh yeah, there's the charger right on the battery. That's pretty cool. Let's see if she's got any. Where the hell's the button? Right here in the end, I guess. Full charge on the, oh, 3/4 charge on the battery. Nice. Okay, so out here with the Holy Stone hs700e, and we're going to do a little test flight, see how she does, and then we'll go over some of the likes and dislikes about this particular drone. Oh, she's smooth and quiet. About a 5-mile-an-hour wind, and it's just hovering perfectly. Nice. Now we're not going to fly very far today because of some technical issues that we need to address before we can fly legally. Okay, I'm going to try the home button. The land, return home. Let's see. Uh-oh. I guess I probably should have found out where that's at, huh? Well, we'll come back over here. Yeah, so that's really sweet. It flies like a dream. Well, as you may or may not have seen at the beginning of this video, just got an hs700e Holy Stone in today, and I unboxed it, got it all set up, went out to fly it, and man, this thing flies smooth as silk. I flew it around, got some video. The camera tilts, or it tilts, it doesn't pan. It tilts just really super smooth as long as you're easy on this control dial. My only complaint with it so far is it takes AA batteries. I don't know what they were thinking there. But of course the drone doesn't. Takes a nice battery. Power indicator light. The switch for the drone is literally on the battery. That is just badass. Yeah, gotta hold it down. So, and another thing you need to know is when you grab up the Affiliate Go app, and when you try to enter device, you'll see it's not connected. So of course you have to connect to the Wi-Fi. see. Yeah. So apparently you have to have the remote on to connect to Wi-Fi, which is strange. Okay, so we're connected, but here's the main thing you got to remember. If you try to go into the Ophelia app, it's still going to say not connected. It's still going to say not connected. So one thing you have to do, and a lot of these apps for drones are like this, you have to go into your carrier and turn data, mobile data off. Otherwise it will not communicate. And see, instantly now we got green. It says weak GPS signal, but over here we're connected and everything. So let's see if I can just turn this around so we can see everything all at once. There's the camera panning downward, nice and smooth. Oh, before I forget, some of you may have to go back in and turn your data on. Of course, everybody will actually. But when you turn your mobile data back on, what I notice is my phone doesn't want to work. So you may have to do a restart to get your mobile data back. But yeah, so this is really cool. I can't wait till the RID unit gets here, because you will have to have that to fly this. And throw an SD card in it and get some good video. What am I forgetting? I don't think I'm forgetting anything, because this thing flew so smooth. It's like silk. I mean, I have a Typhoon H and it flies good, but it sounds like a helicopter coming over your house. And this thing is quiet and smooth, and I just can't wait to get out and fly it some more.